Barco and Sennheiser have joined forces. Seamless wireless conferencing meets best-in-class audio. So, let's open them up. In the ClickShare conference box, you'll find your base unit, 2 buttons, a wall mount, and a power adapter. The Sennheiser TeamConnect Bar S box contains the Sennheiser Video Bar, a remote control, a mounting bracket, a power adapter, and a USB cable. Start by connecting the USB cable to the USB-C port of the TC bar. Then connect the power cable and plug it in. Now, head over to your base unit and connect the cables in the following order. First, connect the ClickShare base unit to the network via cable. Then use an HDMI cable to link it to your meeting room screen. Now, take the other end of the USB cable that's connected to the TC bar and plug it into your base unit's USB-A port. Then, it's just a matter of plugging in the power cable and the base unit will power up automatically. All you have to do is pair the buttons and follow the on-screen instructions. This only takes a couple of minutes.